Hello YouTube, I'm Sudhir and today I'm going to show you how to set up and run Scrapy crawler in Pycharm. I'm sure you are familiar with Pycharm. If not, do comment if you want me to make any tutorial on Pycharm. Also, please like and subscribe my video if it has helped you in any way. Having said that, let's get into our main business on how to create and run Scrapy crawler in Pycharm. I believe you know how to create a normal Python project in Pycharm. If not, not a problem. I'm going to show you in a while. Once Pycharm is fully rendered on your screen or PC, go to a file, select new project. Under a Python, change this last qualifier to something you want your project to be called. In my case, I'm changing or naming my project to my Scrapy project. Now in this window, you have an option to choose what Python interpreter you would like to set or use for this project. If you have multiple versions of Python installed in your machine, it will show up here. Since I have two versions of Python in my machine, I'm selecting 32-bit version of Python 3. Once a project is created, Pycharm will automatically create a virtual environment for your project. A virtual environment is a directory or a folder where Python will throw in all the scripts and libraries which is coming from the interpreter you have selected earlier for your project. Next step is to install Scrapy for your project. To do this, click your main project directory once so that your Scrapy package will get installed in your main project directory. Then go to File, click Setting, select Project Interpreter. You see this plus sign on the middle right side of your screen. Click it. Here you'll see a lot of available packages. But in our case, we are looking for Scrapy. So let's jump into a search bar and search for Scrapy and install the package. It will take some time to get that package installed. One more thing, you will need to install the PyWin32 because this package is required by Twisted and Scrapy is built on top of Twisted. Twisted is a asynchronous networking library which will speed up your crawler operation. Once both packages are installed under current project, close this pop-up windows. At this point, I would like you to have a glance to your project directory folder. Then get into the terminal. First, make sure you are inside your main project directory and type in Scrapy start project and the name of the Scrapy project. In my case, I'm typing Hello Scrapy as the name of my project. Once the project is successfully created, you will see this message in the terminal which says like you can start your spider with and so on. After this, go into your main project directory again and expand it. You will see bunch of file and directory that Scrapy has added to run the spider. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up an environment to run your crawler. Now, the last thing would be writing your crawler itself. For this demo purpose, I have taken a sample program from official Scrapy site. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to try out. Go into your spider folder and create a new Python file. You can name this Python file anything, and in my case I have named it scrapeQuote. I have pasted the sample code I have copied from a Scrapy documentation page. Briefly, this program is crawling the website mentioned under Start URLs list and thus extracting quote, its author, and tags out from those web pages. I'm not going to explain each and everything in the code, which is against the purpose of this video. I can create a different video if you want to explain about writing spider. Please let me know in the comment box. Anyway, remember this name equal to quote. We will be using this name quote when instructing Scrapy to start crawling. Save the file and go back to terminal. On terminal, get into the spider directory and key in Scrapy crawl and the name of the crawler, which is quote in my case. After the program is finished, check the terminal for the output. Here are the information this crawler extracted: a quote, author name, and tags. You can also write this information to the file you want. To do this, from the terminal again, key in Scrapy crawl quote, which is the name of my spider, and -o, which is for the output and the name of the file where you want this extracted data. You can select file format to be CSV or JSON. There are few more file format options which you can check from Scrapy documentation page. I have extracted those data in CSV format, and here is the CSV file. Okay, this is it. I hope this was helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you in any way. Thanks for watching and see you again.